Just a passing glance, just a brief
Look at each other. Don't laugh, serious.
I might have gone.
Narito ang update ng sweet and loving couple na sina Julia Barreto at Gerald Anderson. Panoorin natin ang kabuuan ng video.
On my way, empty it was fascinating.
Dumalo rin sina Gerald and Julia sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Pinagkaguluhan naman si Gerald at Julia na kanyang mga fans habang naglalakad sa passageway. Napakaganda naman at gwapo sina Julia at Gerald habang naglalakad sa red carpet.
Yeah. Back to you guys, Bianca and Edward.
Thank you so much, Gretchen. Of course, walking the red carpet. Always good looking together and even individually.
Napaka-sexy naman ni Julia sa kanyang attire. Lumalabas ang tunay na kagandahan.
Individually, Gerald Anderson and Julia Barreto. Of course, the cast of Incognito, we cannot not acknowledge. We saw Kyla Estrada, we saw Anthony Jennings.
Napaka-sweet naman nina Julia and Gerald, kaya kilig to the bone ang kanyang mga fans at supporters. Napakagwapo din ni Gerald. Bumabata ang itsura nito sa kanyang suot, ang ganda ng kulay. Sana nga kayo na ang forever, Gerald Anderson at Julia Barreto. Pareho naman mabait sina Julia at Gerald, in and out. Napaka-supportive ni Gerald kay Julia. Ganon din si Julia, napaka-supportive kay Gerald. Narito naman ang video ni Julia habang inaayusan ito ng kanyang gown.
It just matches the whole mood of your dress. It's very effortless.
It was fascinating.
Mas lalong sumisexy si Julia Barreto sa style ng kanyang suot na gown.
Even, I mean, not everyone can do it.
And it might have ended right.
Okay, then, I mean, in the sea of all the mga tools and, and flowers.
Just a
Match din ang kulay ng suot ni Julia na purple sa kulay ng suot ni Gerald.
empty-hearted. It was fascination. I know.
It's very sweet.
God bless you always, Julia and Gerald. Sana kayo na ang forever.
Fascination.
Ang ganda! Hi! Super! Nice color!
What if I take it out?